Hey there, quiz lovers! Welcome back to the Quizno. Are you ready to check your observation skill? Today, we're diving into the Spot the Different Emoji Nature Edition. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more fun quizzes. Let's get started. Level 1. Find the odd one out. Time's up. There it is. Find the odd one out. Here's the answer. Look carefully. Did you get it? Spot the difference. The odd one is this. Which one doesn't belong? That was the odd one. Think you can beat this? Subscribe, like, and share. Focus now. This one doesn't belong. Think fast. That's the correct answer. Choose wisely. If you picked this, can you see it? Nice catch! One is different. Good job! There it is! Level 2! Level 2 is tricky. Join our squad. Hit subscribe. Don't blink. That was tricky. Take a closer look. Hope you saw that. Something's off here. That's the different one. Quick decision. Here it is. Trust your eyes. Correct choice. Look again. That was fast. Only one is wrong. Smart move. Be quick. Well spotted. Stay focused. That was the answer. Find the mistake. There it is. Can you beat the next challenge? If you had fun, like, subscribe, and hit the bell. If you scored above 15, try this harder challenge next.